It's another beautiful warm June day here, and I want to show you a really exciting ground cover plant I have here, an edible ground cover that produces wonderful berries, and it is little balloon berry. It's just as fun as it sounds. It produces these really big raspberry-like berries. It's in the raspberry family. You can probably see the leaves look a bit like small raspberries. The raspberry leaves, they're a little bit prickly as well, just slightly. And it also spreads with underground runners, just like raspberries do, regular raspberries. So it works really well as ground cover. People say that the berries taste a bit like a mixture between a raspberry and a strawberry. I didn't find that. I found it just tasted like a nice big juicy raspberry. I'll just show you how the flowers look when they're in full bloom, because I've got a few different plants. Over here's another one. I split it into 3 last year and they're doing so well, the 3 pots, and actually a 4th one is planted into the garden. But look just how big this flower is. If you compare it to a strawberry flower there, you can see how enormous the balloon berry flower is. That's how you can tell that the berries are going to be really big too. And this strawberry flower is not super small. I mean, the strawberries themselves are regular sized here, see? So it is a very big, beautiful flower. And also last year it was quite hot, and at one point I was away. When I came back, then the berries had ripened, these ones here, but they hadn't had enough water while I was away, and so they were a little bit dry. They had a much more sort of concentrated flavor, but they weren't as huge and balloon-like as they can be. So they can be really juicy and beautiful, just like extra large, juicy raspberries, really. But just very small, very short, very close to the ground, very lovely edible ground cover. I'll show them some more as they develop and turn into berries, but I just thought it was fun to show the flowers too, because they're so pretty as well.